Today we'll be making a piano app. So first we'll need get a Google Drive file, link in the description. You have to download it. I've already downloaded it before. So you just download it, import project from your computer, select my piano preferred. I have the same one, so I'm just going to change it to 8 or something. So it's going to take me there. Yep, so what I have to do is put all the buttons in here for it. So let's do it. So put in the button, view parent, and percentage of it. The weight should be 12%. Put the note as G, change the background color, and make it bold. Do it. So as you can see, it's done. We have to rename this so it can be easier for you guys. So G note, A note, and the B note. Yeah, let's go up in the blocks section and do the code. So let's duplicate it to make it easier. After D is up. So we do the G note. Make sure to change this to G note dot wave. So whatever was in the media thing, where it says A note dot wave, it should be the same for the others. So let's do it for the others. So as you can see, the order code's done. I did for each one of them, and this is how this app's gonna work. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.
Created using Powtoon.